Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to talk about transitive and intransitive verbs. So let's get started. Transitive verbs are verbs that only make the sentence clear when they have objects after the verb. So these verbs must have objects in order to be understood. Let's take some examples. She brings, he eats, the dog feeds. The verbs here bring, eat, and feed are transitive verbs, which means they require objects in order to be clear. Now we must provide those verbs with objects in order to make them understandable. She brings her book every day. He eats a sandwich. The dog feeds its puppies. That has made a big difference. Which means now they are clear. When I say she brings, you don't know what did she bring. But when I said she brings her book every day, you understand that it is the book we're talking about. So let's go to intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are quite the opposite. The sentence can be understood without an object. But wait a second, does that mean we only have a subject and a verb? Well, it can be, but that is not always used. We want to speak English and be understood, and that is why we should add complement after the verb. Look at these examples. I traveled to Canada 3 years ago. She cried for 2 hours. He comes from China. Notice that the complements gave extra information to clarify the sentences. But do these verbs have objects? Nope, they don't. I will finalize this video by giving you a comprehension test. So try to find the sentence that has transitive verb and the sentence that has intransitive verb. She bought an ice cream. They swim very fast. I will give you 5 seconds and I'll show the answers. Did you get it right? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.